The buzz around Xiaomi's upcoming flagship is getting louder, and now we finally have a closer look at the much-anticipated Xiaomi 16 Pro Max. Fresh live images show someone holding the device, and the most striking detail is its bold new camera design. Unlike traditional setups, the camera module stretches across the entire width of the phone's back, and what makes it even more exciting is the presence of a secondary display built right into this section. This small display, reminiscent of what we've seen on foldable phone cover screens, comes with two punch-hole cameras that appear to include a main sensor and a periscope telephoto lens. Just below, there's also a significantly smaller ultra-wide camera, an LED flash, and the familiar Leica branding that signals Xiaomi's continued collaboration for high-end photography. This design shift suggests Xiaomi is going all in on pushing camera technology forward, not just in performance, but also in how the phone looks and functions. Leaks also reveal that the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max will be equipped with an all-new 50-megapixel ultra-dynamic SmartSense 590 sensor. This is a serious upgrade aimed at capturing more detail, enhancing color accuracy, and improving overall dynamic range, making it a dream setup for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. Powering all this hardware is none other than Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, although some reports still refer to it as Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Either way, it's clear Xiaomi wants to deliver cutting-edge performance, making this phone one of the fastest Android flagships to hit the market. Multitasking, gaming, and high-performance apps should run effortlessly, giving the Pro Max an edge against competitors in the same category. But Xiaomi isn't stopping there. The battery is shaping up to be just as impressive as the camera and processor. According to leaks shared by reliable tipster digital chat station on Weibo, the 16 Pro Max will feature a massive 7,290 mAh cell, which Xiaomi might market as a 7,500 mAh battery. For context, that's nearly double what most flagship phones currently offer, making it a game-changer for people who rely heavily on their smartphones throughout the day. This means fewer charging breaks, longer gaming sessions, extended video recording, and worry-free travel without the constant hunt for a power outlet. With such a huge battery, Xiaomi could also optimize for fast charging, ensuring users won't be stuck waiting hours to get back to 100%. All these details point to Xiaomi positioning the 16 Pro Max as the ultimate flagship for 2025, blending style, raw power, and practical features. The large secondary display could open up creative new ways of using the phone, from vlogging with the rear cameras to quick notifications without powering the main screen. Combined with its sleek design and Leica-powered photography, this is clearly a phone built for people who want both innovation and dependability. With multiple smartphone launches expected in October, the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max is rumored to make its official